Relative velocity means here the two objects, 2A and B, are moving. Let this one is moving with velocity VA and this one B is moving with velocity VB. Now the several cases, both can move along the same direction, both can move along in opposite direction. One can be at rest, other is moving. So how we can find out? See, a common, we in our everyday life we used to say velocity of car is 40 kilometer per hour. What does actually it mean? It means we are just telling velocity of a car is 40 kilometer per hour. What is if we want to say in the language of physics, or actually what's our sense? Our sense is velocity of a car means velocity of car with respect to ground. Ground is at rest or some surrounding is at rest. With respect to that one we are telling it is 40 kilometer per hour. So how we can find? See here the several category. A is moving along this direction, B is moving along this direction, and let it be on you are sitting in any one of this vehicle. A and B are the two vehicles, and you want to know the velocity. Let it be you are in A, this compartment, and you want to know the velocity of B with respect to you, with respect to A. So what is that one? How we find relative velocity? First, relative velocity of an object with respect to another object. Let it be here we want velocity of A with respect to B. Any relative velocity of A with respect to B is the rate at which A changes its position with respect to B. That is the definition or the sense of relative velocity. Again, relative velocity of B with respect to A, we can say the rate at which B changes its position with respect to A. We are taking first here relative velocity of A with respect to B. Relative velocity of A with respect to B is written as VAB. Here, relative velocity of A with respect to B is equal to VA minus VB. This is the relative velocity. Like here earlier example we have taken velocity of a car with respect to ground. We can write velocity of car minus velocity of ground, and we are taking ground at 0. So it is, we say VC simply means velocity of car with respect to ground is nothing, it is velocity of car. So if VA and VB are the velocities of A and B, then relative velocity of A with respect to B will be VA minus VB, and it is written as VAB. So similarly we can say VBA equal to VB minus VA. Here we are taking along the same straight line, motion is along the same straight line, so we are not employing here the vector notation. Now first, how we can show this one ke VAB is equal to VA minus VB. Let at any time, so for to understand the velocity we should plot the xt graph. Xt graph. Let at t equal to 0, here t equal to 0, it is the position of A and this one is position of B. In our daily life, how we can say? At let A is here and B is here. B is here, some distance between these two. If both are at the same position here, means position is same. So here it is the position. Let this is x of A at t equal to 0 and it is x of B at t equal to 0. And we want their position at any time t. So what will be its position? Position is, what is here the position? First, let the A at time t, it travels and it came here. It is the time t. So what we can say? The position of A at time t is like, first let take this here, it is the position of A first, it is x of A at t equal to 0 and observer is here, means it is its initial position, and after time t A reached here. So what we can say? It is the position of A at time t. So what we can write? This distance equal to OA plus AB, this distance, and this distance it is traveling with velocity VA in time t. So we can write this one, x of A at t equal to 0 plus VA into t. Similarly, x of B at time t equal to x of B at t equal to 0 plus VBT. Now, relative we have to find out. So what will be x of B at time t minus x of A at time t? What will be? We have to subtract, then we will get x of B at t equal to 0 minus x of A at t equal to 0 plus VB minus VA into t. It will be, means distance between A and B after time t. Now see here, what is this left hand side? It is the relative displacement between A and B at time t, and VB at 0 minus XB at t equal to 0 minus x of A at t equal to 0 is the relative displacement at time t naught. So what we can say? What is the here? See the definition: relative velocity of an object A with respect to another object B is the rate at which A changes its position with respect to B. Here see, what is here? A, B and A changing its position, and by time if we give here, then what we can say? This VB minus VA is the relative velocity of B with respect to A. And if we calculate here x of A at time t minus x of B at time t, then we will get VA minus VB, that is the relative velocity of A with respect to time t. Now some cases, if both object moves with equal velocity. See here the graph, if the velocity and the slope of xt graph gives the velocity. So if velocity is same, then slope means slope same. So these two lines will be parallel, means xt graph will be parallel if A and B are moving with equal velocity. And when unequal velocity, for example, let A is moving faster than B, then what happens? And A here, see in this graph, A is behind than B position, but A is moving faster, then A will overtake the B, means at any time they will meet. So where the line will intersect, that is the meeting position, and the time at which they cross each other means meet each other. It is the meeting time. What happens if velocity of A is less than velocity of B? Then see, and A is here ahead, earlier situation. Then we will go faster and see the distance between these two continuously increases as we go away. So these are the few conditions for the relative velocity.